Izinsuku zikanjengayo zokujabula seziyabalwa kanti ugcina ubona sengazi uthi ke uVusi akasamnaki ngoba esebhizi namabhizinisi. Hello everyone, welcome back to Sunday Live Show. Thank you so much guys for tuning in. I'm here to update you of what's going to happen on Sibongile and the Dlaminis from the 22nd to the 24th of April 2024 on Monday. Sibongile's aunt drops her off at the Dlamini home and demand they pay inhlawulo for their makoti. Phetheni, who has been growing suspicious, hires Umkhize to follow uNjengaye on Tuesday. An emotional Sibongile has nowhere to go and end up sleeping at the Dlamini home. Gcina feels that uVusi is slowly slipping away from her when she is excluded from attending a function that Vusi will be attending on Wednesday. After gathering info on Njengaye on his phone, Umkhize shows Phetheni his findings. Mandulo also find some data on Deliwe while the Dlaminis agree to pay inhlawulo for uSibongile. Well guys, that's all I have for today. You can leave your comment below and share your opinion. Bye.